The numbers are staggering. 60% of Minnesotans don't have an estate plan. This means 60% of Minnesotans don't even have a basic will in place. Now, many people believe that it's not necessary or it's too costly. Or even more shockingly, 1/3 of all Minnesotans would rather do and pay their taxes than create or update their will. Why is this important? Because the belief that your spouse or your children are going to inherit and receive the assets automatically is a misnomer. The belief that it's too costly is misleading because you can have a basic will done cheaper today than ever before, and it is necessary. What happens to your assets in probate court? Who will make medical or financial decisions on your behalf if you are incapacitated? Estate planning isn't for the ultra-rich, it's for everyone. And with the changing of the Minnesota tax laws, your old will and trust documents may be outdated or even obsolete. That is why Summit Investment Advisors is hosting a free workshop on estate planning to help educate and answer questions you have surrounding your personal plan. We're going to cover the basics of a will and trust, in addition to your need for a power of attorney and healthcare directives. In the end, if you can get one step closer to ultimately passing on your hard-earned savings and assets to the ones you care about while avoiding overpaying in taxes, this workshop was worth it. Follow the link and sign up for the free estate planning workshop. We'll see you there.